Case summary: Ring v. Arizona, 2002 was a landmark United States Supreme Court case that addressed the constitutionality of Arizona's death penalty sentencing scheme. Background facts: Claimant plaintiff Timothy Ring was the defendant in this case. He was convicted of felony murder during an armed robbery in Arizona. Defendant: the state of Arizona was the defendant represented by its criminal justice system. Key facts: Ring was convicted of a capital offense under Arizona law, which allowed a judge, not a jury, to determine the aggravating circumstances necessary for imposing the death penalty. Ring's sentence of death was based on aggravating factors found by the trial judge, not by the jury. Argument in the court case: the central argument was whether Arizona's sentencing scheme violated the Sixth Amendment right to a trial by jury as interpreted by the Supreme Court in prior cases. The defendant argued that any fact that increases the penalty for a crime beyond the prescribed statutory maximum must be submitted to a jury and proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Final outcome and detailed law justification. Outcome: the Supreme Court ruled in a 7-2 decision that Arizona's death penalty sentencing scheme was unconstitutional because it allowed a judge, not a jury, to find the aggravating factors necessary for imposing the death penalty. The court held that under the Sixth Amendment's right to a jury trial, any fact that increases the penalty for a crime beyond the prescribed statutory maximum must be submitted to a jury and proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Law justification. The majority opinion, written by Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, emphasized that the Sixth Amendment guarantees a defendant the right to have a jury find all facts essential to the imposition of the sentence of death. This ruling was based on the precedent set in Apprendi v. New Jersey, 2000, where the court held that any fact that increases the penalty for a crime beyond the statutory maximum must be submitted to a jury and proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Key concept implications. Ring v. Arizona reinforced the principle that any fact that increases the penalty for a crime beyond the statutory maximum must be submitted to a jury and proven beyond a reasonable doubt. This has significant implications for the administration of capital punishment and sentencing procedures in the United States. Key takeaways. Lawyers and legal scholars should understand that sentencing enhancements in criminal cases, especially in capital punishment cases, must adhere to the Sixth Amendment's jury trial guarantee. This case underscores the importance of procedural fairness and the role of the jury in determining critical facts in criminal sentencing.